In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply for Amazon truck driver jobs. Firstly, you must have a valid CDL Class A license, at least 21 years old, pass a background check and drug test, and ability to lift packages if required. Firstly, go to the Amazon Freight Partner Jobs page. Click on Search Jobs and enter your location to find available positions. Select a job listing, then click Apply Now. Fill out the online application form with contact details, work experience, driver's license information, and upload your resume if required. Amazon will contact you for a phone or in-person interview, a background check and drug test, and driving record review. Once approved, you'll receive job training. You'll be assigned Amazon truck routes. Start transporting Amazon freight between warehouses. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.